Okay guys, again I'm taking you another video from China, and we are in the east coast of China in Qingdao, and this is a park in the city of Qingdao. I hope you can see the beauty of this park, and the surrounding sounds are coming, the sounds of nature of course. And yes, I just show you the area and see. It's such a beautiful area to see. And there you see a quite long bridge here, you see. Actually today this park is quite non-occupied, kind of secluded, and there is not much people than our group today. But I think Chinese hope to develop this area to an industrial park, and especially focusing on e-commerce and everything. So when people and investors moving into this area, then it will be more occupied and it will have more value. See these roses. All these beautiful creations of nature gives you such a pleasure to see these things. This is nice park. See the area. I'm enjoying the beauty, and I hope you also enjoying the same. Thank you, sun, for shining your bright shine today for us to enjoy the utmost beauty of this park. Thank you, sun, and thank you, wind. Thank you, the soil, who give all the fertilizer to grow these beautiful plants, and water. So these are the natural blessings: water, sun, soil, and wind. All three natural blessings together. There is no words to express the feeling when you have all these kind of beautiful things around you. Only the people who are maintaining and working can be seen today. Hope you enjoyed the video today, and I'm wrapping up this video. Bye bye.